Hi, this is Luke Arthod with PCT, and in this video I will show you how to import data from a file. Begin by selecting the grower, farms, and fields that you would like to import data for in the grower farm field tree on the left. Then right-click within a boundary to display the right-click menu and click Import Data. Make sure you are in the Local Files and Web Links tab. The surface boundary method can remain on default. With the auto process setting on, all planting, application, and tillage datasets with over 75% field coverage will have layers automatically created and displayed within View. If the coverage is below 75% or the auto process option is off, then the layers will need to be manually created within Data Editor. Select the season that the file falls under, or click the button on the right to select all seasons. Choose an operation, or simply select all. Then add the files. For imports over 200 megabytes, choose the Import and Email Results button. This will run the import in the background and you will be sent import status updates. Or if the files are under 200 megabytes, simply select Import. To check the results of the import after it is completed, click the Check Results button.